High above the Deccan Plateau, a new world is taking shape. Welcome to Hyderabad, a city where the quiet echoes of nature meet the soaring ambitions of tomorrow. A canvas vast, breathtaking, and endlessly evolving. To the west, the shimmering expanse of Gandipet Lake holds the city's timeless reflections, a vast oasis of blue breathing life into the metropolis. And nestled seamlessly into this landscape stands the sacred Shiva temple. With its striking architecture catching the golden hour light, it serves as a spiritual anchor. A beautiful reminder that no matter how high we go, our roots remain sacred and deeply grounded. But as we sweep across the horizon, tranquility transforms into sheer, unbridled momentum. Follow the sweeping curves of the Kokapet road, the pulsating artery of Hyderabad's new global corridor. Ahead lies Neopolis Junction, a masterstroke of modern urban planning. Wide avenues, cutting-edge infrastructure, and monumental architecture converge here. This isn't just a skyline expanding. This is a futuristic global metropolis awaiting. Rising majestically above this landscape of tomorrow are the true icons of premium living, my home residences. Towering monuments to human vision, offering unmatched, panoramic vistas of the lake and the city below. And woven into this grand design is the exclusive sanctuary of KSR building. A testament to opulent design and private serenity. Here, life isn't just lived, it is elevated to an art form. Nature, spirituality, unstoppable innovation, and ultimate luxury. From the tranquil shores of Gandipet to the towering heights of Neopolis, this is the new Hyderabad. A city that doesn't just reach for the sky. It owns